The Nintendo Switch 2 launched in June 2025 and became the fastest-selling Nintendo console ever. But since it costs $499.99 now, there are some other better handheld options as well. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. First up is the Anbernic RG 477V. It's one of Anbernic's most powerful handhelds and is capable of pushing AAA Android games such as Fortnite and Genshin Impact. With 4.7-inch screen, it supports touch for on-screen controls in games that don't allow physical input. The RG477V costs $239.99 for the 8GB RAM and 128GB SSD, but you can use a micro SD card to expand its storage up to 2 TB. Second, the Retroid Pocket 6 offers great overall performance for an Android handheld that starts at $244 for the 8GB model. If you want something horizontal, the Pocket 6 can serve you well. This console makes the textures look crisp on the 5.5-inch 1080p AMOLED touchscreen display. It also comes with several colors and a 6000 mAh battery for hours of play. Then the AYN Thor is one of the best clamshell Android handhelds around. It has a 6-inch AMOLED touchscreen at the top and a 3.92-inch AMOLED touchscreen at the bottom. With a powerful chip like this Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, you can even play Nintendo Switch games on it. AYN Thor starts at $249 for the Lite version and comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. But if you want something that fits in your pocket, the Ayaneo Pocket Micro comes in the size of a standard smartphone. But with the inclusion of analog sticks and bumpers, it's a great mini console to revisit the classics from the 80s and 90s. With Game Boy Advance titles running smoothly, the Pocket Micro starts at $219 for the 6GB RAM and 128GB SSD and $249 for 8GB RAM and 256GB SSD. And lastly, the MagicX Mini Zero is a budget mini Android handheld costing just $61 with no TF card. It's a perfect device to use your old macro SSD card, or you can buy the version with a 64GB for $64. With price so affordable, it doesn't have a touchscreen, but the graphics will look crisp on its IPS screen. With stereo speakers, Wi-Fi, and a 2900 mAh battery, the console gives you 7 to 9 hours of play. If none of the options appeal to you, or if they're still outside your budget, you can always turn your phone into a gaming handheld. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.